Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is function and formula. See the picture. The children are standing for morning assembly in a school. Count the number of rows and column of children. Okay. Now see here, number of rows. How many number of rows are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of rows are 5. Number of columns. Now how many columns are here? A, B, C, D, E. 5 columns. So here 5. Now write the cell address of following children. Now see here. Second boy wearing a blue shirt. Now see here, second boy. First one and second boy who wear the blue shirt. What is the address of this boy? B2. Then fifth girl wearing yellow shirt. Fifth girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wearing yellow shirt, means E5. Fourth girl wearing purple shirt. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4 means D4. Fifth boy wearing an orange shirt. Orange shirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means C5. Okay, today we will start a new chapter which name is Formula and Function in MS Excel 2020. Okay, last year we learned how to enter the data in Excel. Even we learned how to calculate, how to do the calculations on that data. So today we will revise all these things. So again, go to Start, click on Excel, open the window of Excel. Okay, as soon as the window get open, this we will revise once. Upside here is an title bar, red color title bar, where you can see the name of your program. Then right hand side here are minimize button, which is used to minimize the window. This one is restore down, and last one is the close button. Then below the title bar there is menu bar. On menu bar some menus we learned last year, that is file, home and insert. File menu is used to make a new file. Even it is used to save the file. If you want to save your file with different name, you can use save as, and exit is used to exit from the software. Okay, now today we will start with the new file. Okay, let's start. When you click on a rectangle, just select any rectangle. Okay, have you seen a border? So this rectangle is called active cell. Okay, means when you click on any rectangle of MS Excel, that specific rectangle is called the active cell. In that active cell you can enter the data. Even data means you can enter the number, you can enter any character, any special character, anything you can enter in this active cell. So there are so many cells are there in Excel. Then upside if you see, there are alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, these are called columns, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are called the rows. Okay, when you click on a specific cell, each and every active cell has the address. Okay, that is called the cell address. Suppose if I will click on this cell, then address of this cell is C6. Okay, I will click down. Now the address of this cell is D9, means each and every cell in the Excel has specific address. Okay, now we'll see again. We can use a formula in Excel that we learned last year. So how to use the formula? I will make a table here. Okay, let's see how to do the addition with using formula. Now I will enter here some value. Suppose if I will enter here 4 and number 2 as 9. Now formula will be use is equal to sign, then 4 plus 9. Press enter. What happened? 13 will be displayed on the column of addition. Means we are using formula here. Again I will explain. 8 plus 56. Now how we will write the formula? Again is equal to 8 plus 56. Okay, this is a formula. Now we will use this formula with the cell reference. Cell reference means we will use here the address. Okay, now I will delete this. Is equal to D8 plus E8. Enter. Okay, means if you will enter the wrong address, your answer will be wrong. So again we will see again second one is equal to address of the cell having value 8 is D9 plus address of the cell having value 56 is E9. Press enter. Okay, understand, this is called the formula. Means we can do the calculation with the help of formula. Again we will see subtraction, multiplication and division. Now make a table here. How to do the subtraction? Greater value minus smaller value. So is equal to E8. Now I will do subtraction. E8 minus D8. Press enter. Same thing here is equal to E9 minus D9. Press enter. Here also is equal to D8 multiplied by E8. For the multiplication you have to use the sign star. Press enter. And here D9 multiplied by E9. Press enter. This is the multiplication. And how to do the division? Again is equal to E9 divided by, for the division use slash, D8. Press enter. And here E9 divided by D9. Press enter. Okay, it shows the round up value. So this is called the formula: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For addition use plus sign, for subtraction use minus sign, for multiplication you have to use the star, and for division you have to use the slash. Then next one we will see the auto sum. Okay, now we will see how to do the addition with sum function. Okay, the function is used same as that of the formula. Now how to use the same sum function? Is equal to sum in bracket number 1 comma number 2, means this comma this one. Press enter. Okay, how I did? Is equal to sum comma number 2. Okay, then same thing for the next function, that is product. How to do the product? Product means multiplication. See here, same. Is equal to product in bracket first number comma second number address. Bracket complete, enter. Again I will explain. Is equal to product in bracket address of first number comma address of second number, bracket complete. Okay, product means multiplication. Then power. Is equal to power in bracket address of number 1 plus address of second number, and same thing with second one, power address of first number comma address of second number. And now we will see some more function, max and min. Max means maximum number. So max number 1 address of first cell comma address of second cell. So between these two number, which one is maximum? 9. Same for second one. Is equal to min address of first number comma address of second number. So between these two, 6 is the minimum. Now I will show you how to copy this formula. Just click on the cell and drag it down. Okay, how I did? Just click on the cell and drag it down, so that formula get copied. Okay, in this way today we learn formula and function. Functions are inbuilt. Okay, formula we have to type, so we can do the calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Even we can find a maximum and minimum with the help of this formula and function.